Now that we have our bottom track installed to the post tracks, we're ready to start putting in our infill. Now we're going to start installing our infill materials. For this project, we're going to use tongue and groove cedar, which is smooth on one side and rough on the other. So make sure that you get all of the smooth sides on the same side and the rough side on the same side. We've also notched the bottom board 1.5 by 1.5 inch notch to make room for the bolts that we've put in on both corners. In upcoming videos, we're going to talk about the different infill that can go in this fence. Obviously, one of the amazing things about Fencetrac from Perimtec is that it's extremely versatile. So just like we put the boards in here, there are a whole lot of other things that our customers are putting in for infill: bamboo, corrugated metal, welded wire, even plexiglass. So let your imagination run wild and you're going to have an amazing fence that looks like no other fence in the neighborhood.